This is a K-cup holder that I made for my wife as a Christmas present. It holds 24 K-cups and hangs on the side of the refrigerator with magnets and uses 0 counter space. I used 1/4 inch poplar for this. All the pieces are cut to 1 foot length. The trays are made from 1.5 inch wide material and the side pieces are made from 2.5 inch material. The K-cups fit snug. It would be better if the bottoms of the trays were about 1/4 of an inch wider, or the sides were maybe 1/4 of an inch shorter. The trays are at a 45-degree angle, and I cut little triangles and glued them underneath each tray. This way I didn't use any fasteners. I used super glue to attach 2 round magnets to a piece of 3/4 inch by 1/4 inch oak. I then glued that to 2 of those triangles across the back. Lastly, I attached a piece of poplar to the back as a shelf that rests on top of the refrigerator and prevents it from sliding down. I then spray painted the whole piece black and sprayed on some polyurethane and called it done. This turned out really well, and I'm really happy that it uses no counter space. And my wife really likes it as well. Thanks for watching.